Have I ever told you the story of the old man and the young boy? Well, you see, the young boy walks up to the old man and says, "I want to see the world." The old man laughs. "No, you don't." The young boy was surprised by his answer. He said, Yes, I do. You've seen the world. Why wouldn't I?" The old man calmly replied, "Because you don't travel the world to see it. You don't go to Iceland to see it. You go to Iceland to know what it means to breathe fresh air, even when it takes your breath away altogether. You go to understand how the earth was made and feel that power for yourself."